Hi everyone, I'm Rachel from Ellii, and in this video I'll be showing you how to use time reports. Time reports allows you to see how much time your students have spent on their Ellii tasks. So without further ado, let's get started. Once you have logged in, click the profile icon in the top right corner and click Time Reports from the menu. Here you can produce a CSV file of the total time your students have spent on their tasks by class. Choose a class from the drop-down menu, and then choose a date range. Once you're set, click the blue Export CSV button. The site will generate a CSV file for you and download it to your device. You can then open that file to view your students' results. If you are an administrator of an organization account, you also have the option to print out a report for all of the students connected to the subscription. Access your time reports like from before by clicking the profile icon and clicking Time Reports. But from here, scroll down and look for the option Time on Task Universal. This report is the total time of all of the students connected to this subscription. This report will include all of their Ellii classwork as well as their Ellii solo work. Choose the date range you'd like to view the results for, and then click the blue Export CSV button. A CSV file will generate like before, and you can download it to your device. Once opened, the CSV file will look like this. That's it for this video on how to use time reports. If you have any questions, please let us know. Happy teaching!
Ellii.